In this video, I'll show you how to set up your RSS to email automation in Brevo. Alright, so if we want to get things set up, what we want to do is from the Brevo dashboard, we want to go to the top right and click on our profiles drop down. We then want to click on integrations, then search for RSS, and you should see the RSS campaign. Then you need to give a name to your integration, and then hit create integration. Now we need to put in our RSS feed URL and then click on load RSS feed. Once that's done, you are going to hit continue, and then we go to email design, which you can leave on the RSS default template, or you can put in your own template and then hit continue. We then want to put in our recipients. Next up, we need to put in our campaign settings, which will be name, subject line, our from email, and our from name, as well as having some other advanced options. But we'll just hit continue. Now here in campaign creation, we can set our specific days of the week and our time, as well as specific days of the month. And we can opt to either have Brevo automatically send the campaign or we manually send it. And when we're done, just hit save and activate. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.